So today I want us to model the roof of a house, like what I have done here. So this I've just done using the AutoCAD software. So I want us to do the same and see if we can be able to model the same. Now what I've done is I have copied this, saved this drawing into this one minus the roof. So how do we do the roof? So I'll first of all close this one, and after closing this one, now we have this model without the roof. So the first thing we need to do is to have the roof outline, which we can use the polyline to mark the edge of our design, so that now we'll be able to trace the roof line, then we offset, and let's do that. So first thing, we have to align the face that we are going to draw with the UCS. So we just pick, go to visualize, then we want to align with the face, so the top face like that. So accept, then now we pick the polyline. So we just come here, we trace, like, are we tracing in the no, we think we have not aligned properly. So just come here and then just make sure we have it selected, and let's see if we now be able to trace properly. So pick that point and that one, make sure it is snapping properly like that, like that. We just move around, marking where the edge of our corners are, and the last point is just to go C for cross, enter. Now you have a crossed polyline. Let's see if we can pick it. We have the, yes, now you can be able to select it like that. So let's offset it, go through, then we can enter the offset value. Let's go 600. That will be our ifs. And now the remaining thing we need to do is to just come to the solid and extrude. So let us extrude, so enter, and now we just don't go too high, because you'll be needed to change the taper angle. So mine, I'll just go 1200, enter, and now from there I can see there is this mark, or maybe let's go to the, I don't know if we use the shades of gray. If yes, now you can be able to see it properly, or you can even change these solids to red. Maybe it will help us to see properly. Let's go to the conceptual, and now we just pick this point, this taper angle, then we can now be able to change the inclination of the solid. So what we do, we just pick an angle that we want to work with. So if the roof angle is 23, so you just minus from 90 degrees and then you get, let's say, 67. Okay, so now we already gone, we have done all the roof signs at angle. So what else do we do? We come to the home tab, then solid editing, then we want to move this face, so we select it, then enter, and now we just want to, you can just use we have the base point, maybe like that. Sorry, let's put it in the correct position. So we move the face, so this is the face we want to work with, like that. Then like that, let's say up to that point, yes, like that. So we have now the roof of this house, but now it is still solid inside. So there are two ways we can do this one. The first one I would like us to try is to copy this roof and move it up or down, so that we have two solids. Then we pick one solid, we subtract from the other solid, and then we are left with something which is a hollow inside. So we just pick this roof and we copy it down, let's say 100, like that, enter. So now we come to the solid and we do subtract. So we want this one, then we subtract this one, and we enter. So let's see what we have. Now we have a roof, and it is now hollow inside. Now if we go to the, let's say, front, and now we go to the wireframe, we can see the outline of our roof. So of course, maybe we just we can just try to move this roof down. So we just pick a line here, and we can just estimate how much we want to move this roof. Maybe we can just pick a point here, put over off, then we trace our line here, and now supposing we pick it, and then we go to the trim. So let us trim this. Is it possible? Yes, we still can be able to. We want to see how much we want to move this roof. So it's a value of 154.685. So we just pick this roof, then we just push it. How much was the figure? Again, maybe we can just copy it, then we just copy that value, then we just come to the roof here, and then we we backspace so that we have a place to enter our value, then enter. Are we in the correct position? Yes. So let's see if it is aligned properly. So let's go to the isometric, and you can see it is properly aligned. So we just let's try to use the shades of gray, and now we have our roof. If we look into the inside, we can see now we have a roof which is totally realistic. So the other method we can use is let's undo everything, and now we only want to be left with the solid roof, and I think this is the one. Let's see, is it solid? No. So let's go back. I think should be this one. So we just delete this one, and then we try to look inside. You can see it is totally solid, like it doesn't have an outline that defines the roof to the underside. So what you can do is you come to the solid, and then you go to the shell. So you pick the solid that you want to do the shell operation. So we just enter, and now we want to see how much we want to do the operation. So let's enter a figure of 100. So 100, enter. So let's see if we are okay. So we can just use the wireframe, and you can see already the parts have been changed. So maybe we just go to the top, and this is our roof. So we trace this line again. Maybe we can use a different line. Let's see, let's close this one, and we have our properties panel open. So we just change, we trace this line, this line here, like that. We trace it this way, and then we cross. So let's go to the southwest. So we just come here, then maybe we can let's try to do we can try to do extrude like that, and we want to do a subtraction. So we pick this one, then enter. let's see what we have. So we just try to we can change everything, then come here, then we hide it. After hiding, we can just change the points that you do, the phases that you don't want, because now if you go to the conceptual, we have the green phase. So what we do is just come here to the solid entity, then we delete the phase that we don't like. For example, that one, enter. Again we do the same, delete phase. Maybe we can try to delete a number of them, but no, we don't want to. Let's try this one. Yes, we again come here, we delete. No, we want to delete this one. Then we go to more signs. We just do the delete phase. That one, and try this one, that one, and then we enter. Oh, are we okay? Let's try again. Yes, again. Try more, enter. Again, do more. Some more here. We try again, and I think we are almost done. So let's try to see if we can have the other parts. Okay, so we just go to orbit, and we have everything now. If we really wanted to design this roof, especially if it is a hipped roof, most of the time it is not easy to model. So thank you for your cooperation, and I hope we are learning more. So also feel free to comment and also like my videos, and also share to other people so that this becomes a bigger learning platform. So from me and from my side, I say thank you.